is ready to depart from platform 2. The 8:05 Adelaide service is ready to depart from platform 2. Please
8:05.
stand clear of the yellow line.
The 8:05
Thank you.
service to Adelaide is ready to depart. And here it comes. NR90. That is the Overland, bound for Adelaide. Next stop, North Shore. Right, I'm going to go get some tickets for my train to Bendigo and then board that. See you then.